is broken half, boys. And I've never had a break from there. Never have I ever. I've broken 12 front ends. And never from there.
Holy fuck, boys. This one's crazy. Man.
This was fucked up. I saw this. I thought you was dead, bro.
We've broken so many front ends, but this is the first time I've ever seen a front end break from right here.
Yes, yeah. Fuck.
Boys and girls,
Wow.
I drive hard. Fuck me.
Damn. Yo, that's crazy. You got it on camera too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It hurt real bad.
Yeah, but you're okay at least?
Yeah,
like, you
my
don't look
hand
too
got
damaged?
smashed in between. You'll see it on camera.
Man, all I heard was the throttle stuck wide open. I thought it was him. I literally thought it was him. Cause he had the throttle stuck problem, but holy fuck.
Damn.
Well, boys, that one was fucking crazy. We had a decent little ride today, you know. Hopefully still going for a ride tomorrow, but this is obviously gonna put a dent in the plans. Yo, we need some front ends, boys.
We get back to the 160 Swiftly warehouse, bro.
Come on.
You don't know.
Help a YouTuber out. I need a front end. If anybody knows one, ship one to Andrew. Say it's for Ricky.
All right, well, you just send us a message on Instagram and I'll totally fucking accept any front ends for Ricky since we need one now. But boys, this is crazy.
Man.
Honestly, man, like, you're good though, at least.
160 Swiftly is sadly broken. Boys and girls, the Ricky Mobile is gone.
Don't worry though, this ain't gonna stop us. We're gonna keep riding. I got another 3-wheeler for you.
We're not stopping.
But it's just not mine.
Yeah.
Hit the share button. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go.